Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss the physics MCQs that is related to the classification of solid. First MCQ that is we discuss that the all lattice point in a crystal have different surrounding, different energy, identical surrounding, different distance. We know that because of the periodicity every lattice point has the same environment in a crystal. So our correct option is the identical surrounding. Every lattice point in a crystal have the identical surrounding because of the periodicity. So here is the correct option is the option C. Okay, now we move to the next MCQs. That is asked that the smallest repeating unit that represent the entire crystal is called the lattice, basis, unit cell, and lattice point. We know that by repeating the unit cell in all direction, the whole crystal has been formed. The whole crystal is formed when we repeat the smallest unit cell. So here is the correct option is the option C. Okay, now move to the third MCQs. That is a lattice is called imaginary because atoms do not exist. It cannot be seen. It is a geometrical arrangement of points. It has no importance. We know that lattice is an imaginary geometrical frame where atoms are placed on or near its point. The lattice is an imaginary geometrical framework. Atoms are placed on or near its points. So here is the correct option is it is a geometrical arrangement of points. That is all we discuss about the 3 physics MCQs that related to the classification of solids. Hope you like these MCQs with explanation. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.